Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best TikTok party decorations is probably one of the most sought-after party supplies for young people nowadays, given the platform's popularity and its creative community. This video will dive into the top picks for TikTok party decorations, helping you create a vibrant and engaging atmosphere that perfectly captures the essence of the app, from trendy backdrops and eye-catching props to fun lighting and interactive elements, ensuring your party becomes a memorable and shareable experience. Number 5. OurWarm TikTok Birthday Kit. Get ready to throw the most epic birthday bash with this complete decoration set. It has everything you need to create a vibrant and unforgettable celebration. It's made from eco-friendly, durable materials. The balloons are made of safe, non-toxic latex and can be reused. You can inflate them with air or helium. Air will keep them floating longer. Cleaning up after the party is a breeze. The banner is machine washable and reusable, and the tablecloths are disposable and waterproof. This set includes a banner, tablecloths, music note balloons, latex balloons, a balloon chain, glue, and a garland strip, everything for a perfect party. With its vibrant colors and musical elements, it's ideal for music and short video lovers. It'll make your social media party pop. It's perfect for birthdays, kids' parties, or any celebration. This all-in-one kit saves you time and ensures a cohesive party atmosphere. What we like? It's made of safe, reusable materials, so you don't have to worry about any safety hazards. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply toss the tablecloths and wash the banner. With so many accessories included, you'll have everything you need for a fantastic party. If you're looking for a convenient and worry-free party solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The balloons were easy to assemble and I think it came out very cute. Everything we needed to decorate for my daughter's birthday party. Everything came. Thought balloons were bigger, but other than that, loved this. Number 4. OurWarm TikTok Birthday Decorations. It features musical elements and vibrant colors, perfect for music lovers or TikTok fans. This set will make your social media themed party stand out. With 135 pieces, it includes a banner, backdrops, balloons, tablecloths, and more. You'll have everything you need to create a memorable celebration. The banner is reusable and washable, while the tablecloths are disposable for easy cleanup. It's designed to make your party planning stress-free. Made with durable, lightweight, and non-toxic materials, it's safe for everyone. The balloons can be inflated with air or helium for long-lasting fun. Everything is easy to assemble. The banner has pre-punched holes, and the backdrops have adhesive backing. You can create a stunning party setup in minutes. With this complete set, you can create a beautiful and fun birthday party that everyone will remember. Let the celebration begin. What we like? This set boasts an impressive 135 pieces, ensuring you have more than enough decorations. It's incredibly easy to set up, saving you valuable time and effort. You can even personalize the backdrop to make it extra special. If you want a large, customizable, and easy-to-assemble party set, this one's for you. What people say? The colors were accurate. Everything it said it came with arrived. It grates. Tres muchos globos. Number 3. JOGAMS Music Balloon Arch Kit. Planning a music-themed party? This balloon set will make your event unforgettable. The bold colors and shimmering decor will create a snazzy celebration that your guests will love. This kit includes everything you need to create a stunning balloon garland. You get 124 balloons in 3 colors and sizes, plus music note balloons, tape, and tools for easy assembly. Made with non-toxic, natural latex, these balloons are safe for kids over 8. The extra thick material prevents premature popping, ensuring your decorations last. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, or any celebration, this versatile balloon kit adds a touch of musical fun to any event. Teens, kids, and adults will love it. With the included balloon strip, glue dots, and tying tools, creating a gorgeous balloon garland or arch is a breeze. It's a fun family activity that takes only about 30 minutes. What we like? This kit has everything you need for a stunning balloon arch, all in one convenient package. The balloons are extra thick and durable, preventing any embarrassing pops. It's also super easy to assemble. If you want a show-stopping balloon arch without the hassle, this is the perfect option. Number 2. TikTok birthday backdrop. It's your special day, and it deserves a backdrop as amazing as you are. This vibrant backdrop will make your photos pop. Watch as we reveal the 6 stunning fringe foil curtains. They're easy to set up and create an instant party atmosphere. See how quickly and easily it transforms any space into a vibrant photo booth. Get ready for some unforgettable pictures. With its fuchsia, black, and teal colors, it's the perfect backdrop for all your birthday photos. Every shot will be a masterpiece. Create fun and trendy videos for your TikTok. This backdrop is perfect for capturing those special moments. It's more than just a backdrop, it's a way to create lasting memories with friends and family. Make this birthday one to remember. What we like. This set provides a vibrant and stylish backdrop for unforgettable photos. The fringe curtains add a touch of elegance and fun to your party. It's perfect for creating a memorable photo booth experience. If you're looking to elevate your party's aesthetic with a stunning backdrop, this is it. What people say. These were perfect for my daughter TikTok-themed party. They come separated by color, but I just put 3 on each side of a TikTok banner. It held the whole evening, and still sticky enough for a second use. Highly recommend. The decorations came just as I expected, and the adhesive tape attached to the backdrop did the job. Number 1. TIK Music Cupcake Stand. It features the trendiest music-themed design. Beautiful music symbols and a happy birthday message make it perfect for birthday celebrations. This cupcake stand is ideal for birthday parties, especially if you're a music fan. The elegant music symbols add a stylish touch to your party. It's simple to put together and take apart, no tools needed. This makes storage and transport a breeze. Made from sturdy cardboard, it holds up to 24 cupcakes without bending or wobbling. Plus, it's reusable and easy to clean. We're confident you'll love it, but if you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. This cupcake stand features a unique musical design that's perfect for a music-themed party. It's incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble, making storage a breeze. It's also made of durable, high-quality cardboard. If you're looking for a stylish and functional cupcake stand, this is a great choice. What people say. It was easy to assemble and it looked really cute on the table. This was a cute idea. I had this at my daughter party as well. It went good with the theme. A nice addition to all the other decorations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.